Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the unboxing of these two. This is my new digital voice recorder. We have the H1N and the recorder here, and also its accessory pack, the APH-1n. We're going to unbox both of these. This is I bought this from Facebook Marketplace from the seller. A shout out to you. Really nice guy, by the way. And he already used this, but the condition is still like new and already been it's already used, but only used around 2 times. Yeah, so it's still like in a light new condition, but used. But that's fine with me. I got this of a bargain of the price, so it's pretty nice. Here is the Zoom H1N. Here is the back of the box. Here's the device picture with the features: XY Mac design, records audio up to 2496, monochrome LCD display, one touch button controls, limiter and auto level switches, slate tone generator, USB microphone function for PC, Mac, or iOS devices, handle up to 120 decibel SPL, records on micro SDHC cards of up to 32 gigabytes and 10 hours of operation on 2 AAA batteries. Here's the package include 2 AAA batteries, an H1 recorder, and a quick guide. Oops, oh no, sorry about that. 2496 near PCM, and here's the stuff. Here is Zoom, designed by Zoom in Japan, assembled in China. And here is the side of the box. Zoom are for creators, and here is the side of the H1N on the other side of the box. Let's unbox this first. It has a free bundled software also from Steinberg, the Cubase LE and the Wavelab LE. I have the download key here, but of course I will not show it on this video because it's my key. I'm going to use it. Well, I'm going to do this with one hand. Oh wait, okay, I found my stand. Wait, I'm going to get my stand here. Here it is with the stand. So I can use my 2 hands unboxing this. Really easy. And let's pull it out. Here's the insides of it. Empty box. Here it is. I already used this and do some tests. The recorder sounds so great. It's an upgrade from my old recorder, which starts to showing its age and also kind of like having some issues now. My IC DPX470 from Sony. That one is an that one, and the Zoom H1N, that is an upgrade over my PC, over my IC DPX470 recorder that I bought 5 years ago. Really nice, this recorder. Here is it. Oh. Yeah, failed unboxing here. Supposed to be opened here. There you go. We have some. Here's the product itself here, Zoom H1N recorder, and here is the leaflets and the papers that is included. Here is like the Japanese version is of the Zoom. I mean the Japanese version of what's inside the box here. It has the device itself, the quick start guide, the battery, and the codes for Cubase LE, Wavelab LE. Oh, and here's the English version of it. Yeah, here's the English version of it. The included items. The package should contain the following items: the battery, which is, as you can see, it's not here because it's already on the inside of the H1N. And to show you, here it is. There you go. The Maxell batteries, alkaline batteries. But I also bought an Energizer lithium batteries for this recorder. But I'm going to use this first. So and also to maximize its juice before I change the battery. Here is it. And oh, it has a here. It has the Cubase LE startup guide. There you go. And the here's the Wavelab LE download information. And yep, the code is in here, which is I will not show you. Yeah, so that's why I'm kinda checking things out of frame, just to not accidentally reveal the code. Here is the Cubase LE again, download information. The other one is from Wavelab LE. And the importer's paper. Okay. Some warnings and stuff. And of course, our quick start guide. H1N quick start guide. I read this, it's pretty good, and it's pretty detailed as well. To get to know your recorder first, and how it functions and how is it used. There we go. All right, so and here's the Zoom H1N itself. Here is it. Let's turn it on. I already have it used as well. H1N SD card access. It's really fast also to read the SD card. It takes a bit of a loading, but still pretty good nonetheless. Here's the input gain knob here. As you can see, corresponds to the levels here. By the way, the audio is not coming from the Zoom H1N because I'm unboxing it, but on my Galaxy S23 audio. But in the future videos, I will use this one, the H1N, with the lavalier microphone. Here is the left side of it. We have a line out and volume up and down for the headphone. And here's the serial number of it. It has a lanyard here, so you can attach the lanyard for the H1N. And here's the right side. Here we have a micro USB. It accepts DC 5-volt input. If we have settings, hold this to power and the hold switch here, so you cannot accidentally touch the buttons while you're recording here, as you can see. And here is the micro SD card slot. It also includes a 32GB SD card. When I purchased this from the seller, so once again, thank you, seller. And it also, I forgot also, this is the delete button for the recording. So when you have a bad record, or if you want to start another record and delete the existing record, you can just press this one. And here is the mic input and line in input. The line in input as well, pretty clean. The preamp of the Zoom H1N is pretty clean as well. Here is the X and Y stereo cardioid microphone of the Zoom H1N. So yeah, that's about it for the H1N. Going to turn this off. There you go. And let's hide that for now, and let's include the paper, and let's start unboxing the accessory pack here, the Zoom APH-1n. Here is it, the Zoom APH-1n accessory pack. This includes the windscreen for the cardioid mic, AC adapter, USB type, the USB cable, adjustable tripod, padded shell case, and the mic clip adapter. It says here, for use with H1N only, not compatible with H1. Here is the side of it. Here's the back. As you can see, the package includes once again the windscreen, AC adapter, USB cable, the tripod stand, the padded shell case, which is, I need this one to store my H1N, and I think there's a mic clip adapter. Yeah. Once again, another one for use with H1N only. Let's unbox it. Here's the inside of the box. Pretty brand new. I brought this yesterday from Shopee, from the seller. He sells it for 970 pesos, and I grab it, and it just arrived today. Really fast shipping. Kudos to that. Here's the inside of the box. Nothing is here. And let's open it up. Here it is. Voila. Here's the padding case. I will open this later outside. After this video has ended recording, so I can test and use it. Here's it, the padded case. Really nice sturdy case for the H1N. Here's the USB cable. Marked USB A to micro USB, fits of course for the H1N. Here is the pretty squishy and cute windscreen for the H1N, and the tripod stand for the H1N as well. It's like steel. I feel it's steel from the it's currently inside the plastic, so I don't know what feels right, but I think it's steel, metal steel. I think it's kind of a durable steel. And here is the mic clip adapter for the H1N. I will open this up later after this video. I'm going to test it. And oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Here is the power adapter for the Zoom H1N, so you can power this off of the power adapter as well. Really original Zoom AC adapter, model ADS6MA06 with input of 100 to 200 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and max 0.3 amps input, with the output of 5.5 watts. I think it's right, yeah, 5.0 watts, 5 volts, 1 amp. Zoom Corp, made in China. There you go. Pretty nice. Once again, I'm going to try everything after this video. And here it is, the oops, almost toppled my camera. Here's like the non-disposal, and importers paper here. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, I can smell the freshness of the new box unboxing. The new box unboxing. I love that smell. Alright, so that's about it, guys, for this video. Here is the Zoom H1N and the Zoom H1. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good frame. Yeah. And the booklets. And it. So that's about it, guys. Hope you liked this video, and if you like it, press the like button. If you dislike it, press the dislike button. I don't know why, but anyway, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos just like this one. And if you have comments or suggestions, please comment it down below on the video, on the description. I mean on the comment section, sorry. And that's about it, guys. And see you again on the next video. Bye bye.